Hello, my name is Frankie Chavez, and I am going to show you a problem from one of my problem sets. It is going to be illustrate the solution to the following problem: how many 3/4 pounds of bags of apples can be packed from a total of 3.5 pounds of apples. So here are our apples right here laid out. So in total, right now we have 14 apples. So what I would first do is find what makes 1 whole pound bag. So I would try to group them up to figure out what equals 1 pound. And by looking at it right now, so since we have 14, and the problem says we have 3.5 pounds, it looks like we're gonna have groups of 4. So that's gonna be one group. This is gonna be another group. This is going to be your third group, which gives you your 3 pounds. And these 2 at the bottom would be your half, because 2 is half of 4. So now you have your 3.5 pound bags of apples. And now we want to see how many 3/4 pound bags of apples we can package. So first we need to figure out what equals 3/4 pounds. The 3/4 pounds, so if 4 apples equal 1 pound, that means that 3 apples would equal 3/4, because we're going to be cutting out that 4th one to give us the 3 and not give us the whole. So then we have 3 out of the 4. So if we have a total of 3 apples equals 3/4 pounds, what I would suggest doing is crossing out an apple from each group. So now you know for sure you have 1, 2, 3 apples, which is your 3/4 pounds. So you have 1 group of 3/4, 2 groups of 3/4, and 3 groups of 3/4. And now don't forget about these. We're not eliminating these apples. We're just crossing them out of the group that equal 1 pound. So now we're going to take these X'd out ones and we're going to draw them over here. So we have 3 X'd out apples. And we're going to group those up. That's going to equal another 3/4 pounds. And we still have 2 left. But we can't do anything with those 2 because the problem states that we need 3/4 pound bags of apples. So now we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So you can create 4 3/4 pounds bags of apples out of 14 apples.